Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So in this video, we're going to be doing something different, something new on our channel, where we started a small account challenge where we're going to be trading small accounts, maybe let's say $10, $5, depending on the broker rate allows us to deposit those small amounts, right? And then we can be trading any instrument, and then every trade that we take is going to be shared. Basically, let's say Friday, if we deposit on the account on Monday, that means all the trades taken want to be shared on Friday on our YouTube channel. And then also want to show you like how much we made, and if the account is blowing, it's blowing. If it's flipped, it's flipped. Yeah, just want to update you on everything. So all the strategy that we used to trade is the same strategy that we apply, the same strategy that we teach people. So if you're interested in learning on how we trade, you can just click on the link below in the description box. You also get 20% off on all our courses. The sale is going to end on the 28th of February. So please make sure that you don't miss this opportunity and take advantage of it. So for more info, you can just contact admin. I'm gonna put the link below, and everything's gonna be there. WhatsApp number, DM on Instagram, send email or whatever contact platform you want to use, Twitter, Facebook, we are available. Everything's gonna be on the link below. So let me stop mumbling and then let's get to it. So the first trade we took, we traded on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah. So the first trade I took was on US30. This trade was around 25th. Was the 25th, and let me just quickly like put my vertical line there so that I can show you. Okay, let's go to 1 hour. Go to 1 hour. As you guys, we can see the market is in a downtrend. So by now you should know that we just follow a trend, right? When the market is in a downtrend, what do? We look for sales. So now let me just quickly share with you how I took this trade. So first thing first, I had my trend line here, right? This is where I was looking to take this trade, but then I missed this opportunity after this rejection, right? So this is the same strategy that I shared on one of the videos on our channel. So I'm gonna put the link somewhere so that you guys can just watch it, or can just watch it after you watch this video, right? You can just check under the playlist, the strategy playlist, the videos there on how to trade USD on Nasdaq. Okay, so after I saw that USD is rejecting at this level after our key level, and then I had this area where I expected price to hold after we came back and break. So I was expecting that if we break above this trend line, then I'm gonna start looking for buys. But then if we reject, then we're gonna look for sells. So we started rejecting here, and that's when I, okay, cool. So we continue with our sells. And then another thing that confirmed for me was that this support that was holding, that 10 resistance, and then became our support, it didn't hold much. Price came back below, and then we came back and retest, and then it became our resistance again. So that's when I went to lower time frames. Right? Went to lower time frames. And then when I get to lower time frame, price was playing around here. So I missed this first entry. And then New York open around 4:30. I missed this push also to the downside. So I went on lower time frame, 5 minute. There we go. So I went in 5 minute, and I see that price was pushing to the downside. Yeah, there. So my first entry was around here when price was pushing on New York open. This was 0.02, and then when price continue pushing down, I add another second entry, and then price pushed down, we came back up, and then when we started pushing up, I added another entry here, and then this candlestick opened, and then pushed down, and then went back up, and this is where I entered another entry, right? So, and then price started pushing down, and then when we get around here, I think that it was about plus minus 100 rand. No, after this candlestick close, yeah, plus minus 100 rand, and that's when I moved my stop loss to break evens. So I'll move all my stop loss to break even, and my trade was risk free, and my target was around here. My target was around this area based on bigger time frames. So this is where I closed my trades, and then I closed with plus minus 200. I shared the screenshot on the public group, so we will be sharing a lot of trades on there. So if you would like to witness this small account challenges, you can just click on the link below, join our public group, and then we also share some information on how to trade the market, right? So there's a basic course that we created for everyone that doesn't afford our course, so that you can start their learning. So once you start affording our course, and then you can just like buy our course, So if you're a beginner and you would like to learn while you're saving your money, you can just watch our YouTube videos and then start learning. So all the links to the videos were sent to the public group, and I will also like put them on the description box below. Okay, so this was the target. This was a trade on Tuesday, so this was my target. So now let's go to Nasdaq. 20% on all of our courses. Make sure to check it out, because after that I traded Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, I traded it on the 26th. Yeah. So my first trade was a sell on Nasdaq. My first trade was a sell. So I had this support here, and then I had my resistance here. So after I noticed that Nasdaq is in the range, if you haven't watched our range video, I'm gonna put the link below so that you can watch on how to trade the ranging market. Everything we're using here, it's something that we have shared on our YouTube. So if you want to go into detail and get mentorship, you can just buy our course, and then we're gonna teach you everything. So this is where I took a sell on Nasdaq. Sorry. This is where I took a sell on Nasdaq. Oh damn, sorry. So now let's go to 5 minutes. Let's show you guys. I don't want to make this video long. Yeah. So I think New York open. Yeah, New York open. And then yeah, New York open, and then price came back. Now wait. What's this? Yeah, 20 past, and then half past here. So it was around here where price open, push down, and then when it come back, I was like looking at this support. When we rejected on this support, on this resistance, that's where I started putting my entries. So Nasdaq is a bit expensive on this broker, so I put like a 1 entry so that I can be able to manage my risk. So that was about a 0.01. So 0.01, and my target were at these lows, and I managed to close with plus minus. Let me just check how much was that. Just check how much was that. I managed to close with 120 on this one. I also shared the screenshot on the public group, so you can just go check it out there, or on our Instagram account, YVNT_ZA. So this was our second trade, and then our TP was here, and then TP hit, and then we closed. So that was our second trade on yesterday, Wednesday. So now let me show you our third trade that we took. That we took yesterday. Yesterday was the 27th. It was around here. That was based on 15 minutes. Yeah. I came too late on the market. So these three trades I was trading New York Open. These three trades I was just trading New York Open. So I came too late on this trade. I was looking at price pushing up and then coming back, and then we pushed up, and then I waited for price at least to come back. So this is where I was expecting for price to come back to. At least I see this area was holding. So this support area was holding. So I was like, okay, cool. Let me wait for price to come back here. But then the moment I start seeing price, let me go to 5-minute time frame. The moment I started seeing price, wait. Oh yeah, wait. This is the wrong one. Yeah, sorry about that. Let me just quickly go to what I see now. Now I see where is my entry. I see. I didn't check the time. I didn't check time because it was in New York Open. 27th, and this is past 3. There we go. Yeah, it was past 4. So I was expecting price to push down here. Maybe come back and tap again here, but then we didn't come back. And then what happened is, after I saw that, okay, cool, we had this resistance that was holding, and then we broke, right? And then we also got a rejection here. After seeing that price is not coming back here, then okay, cool, let me just wait for price to come back at this area. Let me wait for price to come back there. And then price came and just tapped at this area. The moment it tapped, and then I went to lower time frame, 1 minute, I saw a rejection, then boom, I was in based on 15 minutes. So I just trading the lower time frames here, and then I just entered, boom. And as you know, my target was very high at this time. It was not here. I was targeting very high at these areas, and then price moved. And for this account, my plan was to make at least between 50 rand with 200 rand. But then once I'm above 200, then I increase my target to like 60 to 100. And then once I'm above 3, that's when I increase my my target to 100 rand and up. So by the time I was here, my account was above 300. So I was just like, cool. No, it was 400. So this one was like, cool, I'm already above 300. So let me just target anything above 100 and above. So this is where I started. I took this trade, and then when it moved up, and it was around 100 and, let me just double check again, 113, 113, and this is where I closed. And the account seated on 511 rands, so which is equivalent to $32. Yeah, equivalent to $32. So the account, I took an account from $8 to $32, right? So it's plus minus 300%. So for this account, so now today, this morning I didn't trade, so I withdrew like 300, and then I left 200. So from next week, week 2 of this account, we're gonna be trading USD and Nasdaq again, and then let's see how much we're going to take it to. Right? Let's see how much we're going to take it to. If we lose it, if we lose the account, we're just gonna find again and then try again. So yeah, let's see how much we're going to take the 200 from. Wait, let's see how much we're gonna take the 200 from and to how much. I don't know if it's making sense, but you guys understand what I mean. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then if you got any questions or you would like to get in more information regarding our special, everything's gonna be below in the description box. Just go check it out, and yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, and if you have anything you like, or any pair that you would like me to test trading, and the broker that I'm using, I'm also just gonna put the link below, and then you can just go and check them out, right? So yeah, that was it for this video, and then I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Cheers.